Imagine stepping into a private resort every time you hit your backyard. No construction crew required. From luxury sand filter oases to quick inflate kiddie havens, today's best above-ground pools deliver unbeatable fun, durability, and style in minutes. Stay tuned to find the perfect pool that will become your summer centerpiece. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have Intex Round Metal Frame Pool, the best budget above ground pool. Summer days call for fun in the sun, and the Intex Round Metal Frame Pool is your best budget choice for above ground enjoyment. After extensive use over several months, this pool shines when compared to similar models, proving both affordable and durable. Setup is a breeze, making it ideal for those who want to dive in without a hassle. Its sturdy metal frame offers superior construction compared to inflatable pools. You can fit a small group of kids or adults, perfect for a weekend gathering. The included filter pump, with a capacity of 530 gallons per hour, keeps the water clean. A simple on-off switch makes operation effortless, while the ground fault circuit interrupter adds a necessary safety layer to your setup. One comfort factor you'll appreciate is how easy it is to maintain. Although extra accessories like a ladder or cover aren't included, finding compatible options isn't difficult. Plus, you can customize the pool area to your liking, like laying down a tarp or ground cover. Filling the pool may take some time, approximately 6 to 8 hours, but the wait is well worth the relaxing experience. What stands out the most is its robust construction at an unbeatable price. Up next, a traditional steel and resin masterpiece that brings backyard elegance to every splash. At number 4, we have Wilbar Meadows Reprieve Above Ground Pool, the best traditional above ground pool. Experience summer fun with the Wilbar Meadows Reprieve Above Ground Pool. This sturdy pool features galvanized steel walls coated with resin, ensuring lasting durability and rust prevention. You can enjoy splashing around without worrying about wear and tear. An attractive bedrock-patterned liner adds a touch of style, while the brilliant blue wave print livens up the pool's walls. You will appreciate how easy it is to keep everything looking fresh and clean. A dove gray outer wall blends seamlessly with any backyard design, making it a beautiful addition to your outdoor space. Setting up the pool? Pro tip: warm up the liner in the sun beforehand. Doing this helps it stretch perfectly across the pool's floor and walls. Once installed, interlocking rails prevent any unwanted shifting. While it lacks a filter pump or cover, this minor drawback doesn't overshadow the pool's overall value. It simply means you can customize your setup according to your needs. You might find it nice to choose a filtration system that fits your preferences. What truly sets the Wilbar Meadows Reprieve apart is its robust construction and aesthetic appeal. You'll love how it stands up to frequent use while looking great in your yard. With its stylish design and solid build, this pool emerges as the best traditional above-ground option. Stick around for the pool with rock-solid steel framing that stands up to kids, pets, and parties. Still searching for the perfect above-ground pool? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have Bestway Steel Pro Max, the best steel frame above ground pool. Dive into summer fun with the Bestway Steel Pro Max. This medium-size above-ground pool impresses with its robust steel frame. Unlike heavy-gauge plastic, the steel construction offers exceptional durability and stability. Reviewers praise its solid build, with one satisfied customer noting that after 3 years of use, the pool remains intact, despite playful pets jumping on the sides. Expect excellent value with this model. Alongside the sturdy frame, it comes with a filter pump, ladder, and liner, all you need for easy setup. Many competitors in this space skimp on accessories, making this a standout deal. The included filter pump efficiently keeps the water clean, though some users recommend a more powerful option for faster results. What truly impresses is how well this pool holds up during active play. It withstands excitement from both kids and pets, making it a perfect fit for family fun. You can relax knowing it's built to last, even under pressure. A minor consideration is the necessity for a more powerful pump to maintain optimal cleanliness. But upgrading your pump could lead to the ultimate swimming experience. The Bestway Steel Pro Max combines sturdy construction with essential features, making it the best steel frame above ground pool for your backyard. Consider it if you seek reliability and enjoyment this summer. Coming soon, the inflatable wonder that sets up in minutes and keeps the little ones giggling all day. At number 2, we have Funnsicle QuickSet. Inflatable above ground pool set, the best above ground pool for kids. Need a fun way to keep your kids cool? Funnsicle QuickSet. Inflatable above ground pool set offers the perfect solution. This pool impresses with its soft sides and inflatable top ring, making it safer for little ones. The included ladder simplifies entry and exit, ensuring that kids can easily hop in and out for hours of fun without any hassle. Families appreciate the spacious design, accommodating up to 5 adults. It's particularly ideal for kids age 6 and up, who can splash around safely. Setting it up is a breeze. Inflating the top ring is quick, and then you can fill it with water instantly. Unlike other models, you won't need a complicated setup process to enjoy this pool. Included with your purchase are a filter pump and a repair patch kit. This feature adds convenience and peace of mind, ensuring your pool remains in tip-top shape. At 10 feet across and 30 inches deep, it fits well in smaller yards. One consideration is space. Older kids or adults may find the area a bit cozy for serious swimming laps. However, for play and relaxation, the size is just right. What I love most is how effortlessly it becomes a family activity. And don't miss the ultimate family-friendly pool with a built-in filter pump and instant backyard fun. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have Intex Ultra XTR Pool Set with Sand Filter Pump, the best above-ground pool overall. Dive into summer fun with the Intex Ultra XTR Pool Set with Sand Filter Pump. This above-ground pool stands out as the ultimate choice for families. With ample space, you can enjoy swimming, splashing, and playing together. Measuring 20 by 48 feet, it offers the perfect depth for both adults and kids to enjoy. Installation remains a breeze. If you've ever struggled with complex setups, you'll appreciate how straightforward this pool is to assemble. Everything you need sits in the box, including a ladder, pump, filter, and cover. Setting up your own backyard oasis has never been simpler. One of my favorite features is the sturdy frame, which offers stability and durability. You won't have to worry about wear and tear as you dive into summer activities. Additionally, the sand filter pump works efficiently, keeping the water clean and inviting. Enjoying a crystal clear pool makes every swim more refreshing. However, I found the included cover a bit smaller than expected. Consider purchasing a larger cover for better protection. This small adjustment can make a big difference in keeping your pool clean year-round. Intex Ultra XTR impressively balances convenience and fun. You'll find it hard to beat this pool's combination of quality and ease of use. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best above ground pools. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which above ground pool you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.